They said, refer to the figure showing the parabolic given by f of x. So this thing here, it represents the parabolic function with x an element between 0 to 4, both of them included. And then they say D is a point. D is a point, is the point x is to 0. And then they say BD is parallel to the y-axis, meaning basically they are trying to tell us which the x value here throughout is the same thing.
Nothing is perpendicular to the x-axis.
It's perpendicular to the x-axis, yes. So it's the same x value with P on F. And then they say we should write down the coordinates of P in terms of x. Rapelo who wants to take it? I can see that you are hungry for it.
Oh yeah, the coordinates are that be u y x is to the equation here f of x.
I'm sure we agree to say x
is the same.
Is the same throughout.
Yes,
so it means which we're going to have x, yeah,
which will go to f of x, which is 4 minus.
So this one is a parabolic function.
Yes.
So you want the y for the parabolic function. The y for the parabolic function is given as 4.
Yes.
Minus
x squared
minus 4.
Yeah,
I think this one is very important. It was free 2 marks, this one.
Yes.
Because agree x is x. And then the only person, let's say they said x was 1, it means that everywhere we see x, we're going to put 1.
Yes.
For us to get y. But since they said it's x, then it means which even when we come and substitute on f of x, it's still going to be 4 minus x squared all over 4. Yeah, this was free 2 marks. So we got 1 mark for x and then 1 mark for 4 minus x squared. Okay. Number 2, show that the area of OBD can be given as Khotso?
Okay. So they want us to show the area of triangle OBD. That area of the triangle is there on the graph. We can see it again.
So
let's highlight it. Yeah, that's the triangle there again. So what we should show that the area of the triangle highlighted in yellow is given by 2x negative x cubed all over 8 again. So that is what is required to prove again. Now the area of a triangle is equivalent to, if we're having a right angle triangle, we can say that the area is going to be half base times perpendicular height. Yeah, but or another formula, which is not necessary because here we're having a right angle triangle. I'm not lying again.
Yeah,
so how do you know where this thing is a right angle parallel? Is because DB is parallel to the y-axis, meaning that it has to be perpendicular to the x-axis. Sure. So now I'm going to substitute this equaling to 1/2. The breadth is going to be the height, which is from 0 to b. And b, we don't know the value of b, so we're going to substitute the formula of the equation, or the equation of the formula. Yeah, the formula of the equation. That thing, we're going to substitute 4 minus x squared.
So from here to here, the distance from here to here is this one. It's y. Okay. So this one, okay, from here to here, it's x.
Yes.
So we can start by saying that one is base.
Yes,
X
it's a base.
multiplied by the height.
Perpendicular height.
The height is this part. So it's x and y. Okay.
Yes.
So we have 4 minus x squared all over 4. Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, if you multiply, firstly, let's start with the x again. So we're going to have is equivalent to half open bracket. Now, if you foil that, we're going to have x multiplied by 4, which is going to be 4x. And we're going to have x multiplied by x squared over 4, which is going to be negative x cubed all over 4. Close bracket. Now we're going to further FOIL in the half, which is going to give us 2x minus x cubed over 8.
Minus
X cubed over 8.
Okay, this one was 3 marks. So getting the correct formula, area formula, substitution, and then simplification, because we can't mark you the answer. We already told you this is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, sharp. 9.3 Amu.
Yes.
Yes.
They say determine how far D should be from 0 in order that the area of triangle OBD is as large possible. So here they want the maximum, and then if we turn our minds back to calculus, we know when they talk about maximum, we have to differentiate.
Okay.
So we're going to differentiate the area.
Yeah, this is very important. Usually with these questions, even if we couldn't throw this here, we can go to the next question and just differentiate whatever we got there, just in case we don't know what to do, because there was 4 marks here. So we have area prime. Ne? We want to get the largest possible area. The largest possible area is area prime in terms of x. We can say area prime in terms of x. Yeah. So what you get?
Yes. 2x
minus area prime.
2x. Should I start differentiating?
Yeah, I think we already have it here. I'm not sure, that's what I'm thinking. Area. Yeah. What
it's 2.
It's 2.
It's 2. And then it's 3
minus
3.
Yeah.
X squared over 8.
All over 8, like this, né?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, what should we do? Largest?
And then 0.
0 is going to be equaling to 2 minus
2 minus 3x squared over 8. And then transpose that minus 3x squared over 8 to the other side.
Okay. What do you get?
3x squared over 8 is equals to 2.
Sure.
Cross multiply. Cross multiply.
16.
Then x squared. Yes.
Yeah.
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X squared is going to be 16 all over 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then
Root has a plus and a minus. Ne? So what you get? You get x is going to be equaling to, let's check that. Okay. We have root 16 all over 3.
Over 3.
We get what? Plus minus 2 comma
0
3 1. Okay, which one do we take? Because they already gave us a condition.
Plus.
They said something here.
Plus.
We take the positive one.
Yes.
Okay, so we have, let me say, x is going to be equaling to 2,31. But let's check, what did the question want there? Because they didn't, they want the maximum, ne?
Yes.
Because they said determine how far should D be.
Maximum about the negative, right? Like who substitute that the maximum value we create more the area how get the negative ones. So like it's sharp or double check the answer because
Yeah, we should check, because I guess sometimes let's say you get 2 answers.
Yes.
The other one can give you a maximum, the other one can give you a minimum.
Even if it's a negative.
Yes, yeah, you can check. So determine how far D should be from O. How far should D be from? Basically, we're looking for X, Musi.
Yes.
So we're done.
Yes.
Because that is X.
Yes.
D should be 2, it should be 2,31 far from X. Okay, thank you very much for that one.